Comrades Ria.
Yeah.
Comrades Ria.
Yeah.
Gen Z Ria.
Yeah.
My name is Crispin Mutabori. I come from Nyamira. I'm one of the officials in the Gen Z group. So, the major concerns I wanted to put forth are: we wish to pour out our disgruntlement and frustration concerning this government. We are borrowing money and repaying the debts at an interest rate of 15% when the economy is growing at 5%. We are selling our country to foreigners and imperialists in the name of securing goodies and handouts. The current crop comprises of very well educated youths with zero employment, misappropriation of funds all over, like the illegal creation of the office of the Prime Cabinet Secretary when medics and teachers are crying foul over peanut pays, lack of promotions, and others who are yet to be confirmed, like intern doctors and JCC teachers. We also are perturbed by the wastage of resources, like the abnormal renovation of the DP's residence, built at a cost of about 320 million and currently renovations costing over 600 million. The traveling and loitering across the world by the presidency when the economy is not supportive. We are currently living in a country where we are promoting 55 new billionaires while sinking 55 million Kenyans to abject poverty. Imagine a situation where an MP is worshipped by fellow MPs because of the exotic cars he drives and the lavish lifestyle he is living. All this acquired in just 2 years in office. Sudi is a case study. Cabinet secretaries buying helicopters, Audemars Piguet watches and shoes to a tune of 5 million shillings each, and lying to us about inheriting a government with empty coffers. Fellow comrades, bad leadership is non-participation of the elite class. With this realization, I urge all the elites in this country, both home and abroad, to ensure real participation in election of the next leadership through the cadre from MCAs to the president, to ensure and guarantee quality and capacity in leadership. We are also frustrated by Nakuru Town West MP Samuel Arama, who called us idlers. In a rejoinder, we collectively dare say he is the idler, ignorant, illiterate, because he doesn't appear to understand what the finance bill contains. Had he the knowledge and capacity, he would understand the social economic implications of various taxes introduced. We have no doubt he is illiterate on all these legislative matters. Can he tell us when he last sponsored a bill before the floor of the House? Leave alone sponsoring. When did he last contribute in Parliament? Even his maiden speech, because we have all the records from the Hansards. And truth is, he has never opened his mouth. The only instance he did is when he said yes to the finance bill. Telling off fellow MPs and calling them first-timers doesn't place you as a ranking member. All the Nyamira first-timer MPs are doing so well in legislation, which is a core function of a member of parliament. When you are not lecturing them about experience, which experience are you talking about, sir? The concerns we have raised are fundamental, and they go to the core of the constitution and national political government leadership. We might require major structural changes in order to meet the expectations of the citizen and the country.
For me, I feel like serikali inatukandamiza kabisa, kwa sababu hata jana OCPD alisema kwamba tukikuja maandamano tusikuje kama tumejihami, na sisi tukamwambia kwamba wao pia wasikuje kama wamejihami. Kwa hivyo ningependa kuambia watupe fursa, sisi kama majenzi tupiganie haki zetu, hatuchokozi mtu, na sisi ni watu ambao tunapenda amani. Yeah. Yetu yamekuwa successful, tumepewa fursa, tumeandamana, tumejieleza. Kwa hivyo natumai kwamba wametusikiza and they are going to do something about it.
Gen Z's power. Gen Z's T-Beam. Okay, kwa majina naitwa Brandon Kenagwa, alimaarufu Super SG, na siku ya leo katika mji wetu wa Nyamira tumeweza kuwa na maandamano makubwa sana, maandamano ambayo hajaionekana, na our message, we want to convey a message to the national government. We are tired. We are tired of you oppressing us. We are tired of the extrajudicial killings. Right now in Nairobi, there are several dead bodies of young people lying in the mortuary who have been shot dead by the police officers. It's about time we rise up and we fight for our rights. The Gen Zs, we have wake up. This is the moment. This is the time to shine. And what I can say right now, Kenya will be in a total shutdown. Today, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, and even forever, even forever. So we are tired, and we are tired. And
yes, tuti kuriwese county ya Nyamira. Seli tukoria rero tu very successful. Lakini ntogo kiria isengenche se bunge ya nene. Abagisange baito baitirwe. Amanyinga yaba Kenya itekire. One gente kegia etaniri. We are calling upon members of parliament to resign, to force this government out of power. Etogo sababa bunge bali babwata maroro y'abananchi bali saini egera tenya arekana Ruto korania serikali kiata korania serikali bila bunge baruo batige. We want to go to another election. We must reclaim this country now or never. Yes. It is not going to stop. You are going to kill all of us. Wale wenye watabaki wataongozwa na tutaunda Kenya mpya. Hii ni kama tunapigania uhuru na tunapigania na tumalize mara moja. Ngani omobungo anacho asinyamoko nyamache omwana ominto gwasaliri naende tuanyorire wakati mugumu gutanga abana aba ebarenge gocha kwanda nonya na hoteli alikuwa igora mishari alia bali endagira bakore igwa tuwe container timono no ambono goto endere to kobasorora. They want to ban you korugota chagusi mongi na tokoroka Jerusha baba ntuntu ataetekenda ya togo chigotorige lipara chibesoire milioni 8 kire constituency baba ngina muntu okugorera abana chipadi gwahoro Nyamira obosokwo bonene kogwa kakuranga abana baiseke bamente ruchipadi rigori aya no monginore ngina bantu ntomanye tingangi kerabe korumambie kiagera abantu babeire lakini gente kenke igo chigotenena baka twarusiri Ruto bone ketari gento gerenga na machieso twaisanekire ntomaeta abande ntoku ntomaeti gosento ikemambi lakini bali baratigare. They will get a better Kenya. And we want to tell IMF, any loan that William Ruto takes from IMF right now, when the Gen Zs take this government, we will not be held responsible and we will not pay any loan.
Nakoboru bongaini nechisere michioko yamanya. Ayonsi agendreta ase ebunge. Arekobo mongaini nkomanya arenge egesuro kia maonchoreria yakoretwa ase ogokinia chibango awa. Ntore nobo maene ayonsi akwanete nase ng'encho yoboriri bwaye atamanyeti kende gionsi nonya no mweshimiwa Jerusha ekerenga nekegori kiaye gichisemina kiki ndiamana nakoborwa obong'aini nechisemi chioko yamanya ayonsi agendreta ase ebunge arekoba omong'aini nkomanya arenge egesuro kia maonchoreria yakoretwa ase ogokinia chibango awa. Ntore nobo maene ayonsi akwanete nase ng'encho yoboriri bwaye atamanyeti kende gionsi nonya no mweshimiwa Jerusha ekerenga nekegori kiaye gichisemina kiki ndiamana